Best man, kick a beat.
We are gathered here today in sight of God to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. In this ceremony, today we will witness the joining of Riza and AJ in marriage.
Riza, I love you, and I am never going to stop loving you. Who knew that a random hangout with friends at Quickly's would lead me to me meeting my future wife? That's crazy, right?
Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own. And now the brain's been dancing on just time. 'Cause now I found you.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your wife.
Come on, babe, you got this. I want to see you.
I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that it didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget.